here we go for adding and subtracting decimals. Okay, this should be fairly easy. I know that most students today their trouble was not in actually the decimal format, but in the actual subtraction and addition. So let's just get started. We'll do, let's just say 3.5 plus 1.034. Okay, so this is an addition problem. So what we're going to do, we have two numbers, so I just have them line up the decimal points. Okay, right on top of each other. And then you're going to fill in the numbers. So we have a 3 and a 5 that are right around the decimal point. We have a 1 and a 0 and a 3 and a 4. This is an addition problem. And so I told the students it was up to them if they wanted to add in zeros or not. With subtraction, they're going to have to. So they might just want to get in the habit of filling in the zeros. It doesn't hurt. And then they're just going to add like typical. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 0 is 5, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And that's your answer. All you do, line them up, add them up. Not much to worry about there. Okay? So if we do a subtraction problem, so say we have, let's say 5.1 minus 3.52, okay, something like this. Okay, we're going to set it up exactly the same way with the two decimal points. We're going to fill in the numbers. Remember that the first number, the larger number, must go on top. And then the smaller number, the second number, goes on the bottom. And this one, because it's subtraction, you have to have a 0 in there, because you're going to need to end up regrouping or borrowing, as we used to call it. Okay, so you can't take 2 from 0, so you must regroup or borrow from the 1. Make that a 10. 10 take away 2, 8. We have 0 left here, so we need to borrow from the 5. Make that 4. Make that a 10. 10 take away 5, 5. And 4 take away 3, 1. That's exactly how we do that problem. So we just borrowed, and it's just like regular subtraction. The only thing is the decimal points, and you just have to make sure they're lined straight up. Okay, so the next form that we saw in class was a little bit different. It was using parentheses, so it looks something a little bit like this. Let's just do 9.01 plus, let's do 4.2 minus 1.66. Let's say something like this. So we actually have two operations going on here. So what we have to do first is whatever's in parentheses. If you follow the order of operations, parentheses must go first. So we're going to do the subtraction problem, and then once we get the result of the subtraction problem, we're going to add it to the 9.01. Okay? So again, we're going to just line this up. So 4.2, line up the decimal points. 1.66. Okay, I'm going to add in a 0. This is the subtraction problem. Okay, so we cannot take 6 from 0, so we have to borrow. Make that a 1, make that a 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. Then we can't take 6 from 1, so we're going to borrow from the 4, make that a 3. 11 take away 6 is 5. Put our decimal point, and then 3 take away 1 is 2. So now that we've found the answer to the subtraction problem that was in parentheses, we can now bring this guy down and do our addition problem. So we're going to add 9.01 to 2.54. So I'm going to put that 9.01 and 2.54. Add them up. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay? And so that's how we do them. So those are the kind. There's an addition, a subtraction, and then one with parentheses with both an addition and subtraction. And this could also be an addition problem, and this could be an addition problem, or this could be addition, and this could be subtraction. It just depends what the numbers are. But you always do the problem in parentheses first, find the solution there, and then you're going to add it to whatever's left over. And that's pretty much it. And if you need any other additional help, let me know.